Hi friends, Mr. Paul here with Rosie, and together we would like to give you a new lesson today. Today I have a new sound for you. Let's give our letter sound a special Carolina twist. K, k, k is for Cape Hatteras Lighthouse, sending a light with great power, signaling all ships at sea, ever vigilant, hour by hour. Today, we're going to do the third letter of the alphabet, whose name is C, but it makes the sound K, K. K as in caterpillar. K, at, it, o, er. K for caterpillar. K, K as in colorful, like the book, My Many Colored Day. K as in clam. K, o, m, clam. K, K as in cows. Cows. K, K as in cat. K, a, t, cat. This is how you form the cursive letter for the sound